adding a new cryptid to my comic book universe, the Chupacabra. In the early 1990s, there was extensive research done on the effects of the human vampiric virus on animals. Among these experiments was a gene replacement procedure on canines to determine if the U.S. military could use the unique abilities of those affected by HVV with the loyalty and obedience of a dog without the drawbacks of a human affected by HVV. The Chupacabra proved effective in stealth combat scenarios and were relatively easy to train. However, the unique symptoms of HVV on the canine test subjects proved difficult to care for. Extreme light and high-pitched sound sensitivity made Chupacabra easy to disorient, as well as an extreme hunger which made the test subjects easy to reward. Also made them expensive to keep fed with their unique and picky diet. In summer of 1995, the tests were considered a financial failure and ultimately shelved. However, later that year a breakout was reported, where 4 of the 7 test subjects escaped into the wild and caused a small havoc on local livestock. Initially, the facility wanted to hunt down the test subjects and exterminate them before they spread their infection or harmed any civilians, but field research determined that the infection was non-transferable to native species. The population was easy, controlled, and monitored on the island in which they were released, and that the Chupacabra actually posed little to no threat to civilians due to their unique blood-based diet. By 2005, the remaining Chupacabra had been released and started a stable wild population, prompting the Cryptid Protection and Relocation Agency to recognize the Chupacabra as a valid cryptic species in need of protection and classified status. Now in 2025, the Chupacabra population numbers in the hundreds and needs to be regularly culled, relocated, and otherwise dispersed. However, confusion with the temporally displaced sapient species in which Chupacabra got their name has made efforts to correctly identify and track down the sanguinis lupus the CPERA are actually looking for.